Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Amina Shita, metric number AA250975. Today I will explain about my previous lab test, which is Setb answer. So I will explain my C++ program that check whether a number is a prime number or not using a function called name is prime bracket. So first, the program start with include IO stream and using name std. So the include IO stream statement allow us to use input and output operations such as cin and cout, while the using namespace std statement allows us to use standard library function without using std : before them. So next we have bool is prime integer n. This is called a function prototype. It's informed that the compiler that there is a function named is prime which accepts a integer parameter and returns a boolean value, either true or false. After that, the program enters the main function, which is integer int main bracket. The main function is where the execute of the program begins. Inside the main function, I declare an integer variable called number, int number. The variable is used to store the number entered by the user. So next, the program displays a message which is cout enter a positive number. This message asks the user to enter a positive number. The user input is then stored using cin number. So this statement reads the value entered by the user and store it in the variable number. Next, the program uses an if-else statement. Here the program calls the is prime bracket function and pass the value of number as the argument. If the function returns true, the following statement is executed, which is cout number is a prime number and 9. This means the program will display that the entered number is a prime number. For example, if the user enters 7, the output will be 7 is a prime number. Otherwise, if the function returns false, the else statement will execute, which is cout number is not a prime number. This means that the program will display that the entered number of user is not a prime number. For example, if the user enter 8, the output will be 8 is not a prime number. So the statement return 0 indicates that the program has ended successfully. Now I will explain about the is prime function, is prime bracket. So the function definition is bool is prime integer n, which is this function receive an integer value and determine whether the number is prime or not. The first condition is this check if the number is less than or equal to 1. Numbers such as 0 and 1 are not prime number, so the function immediately returns false. Next, the program uses a repetition structure, which is a for loop. The loop starts from 2 and continues until n minus 1. The purpose of this loop is to check whether the number can be divided evenly by any value other than 1 and itself. Inside the loop, the program checks the modulus operator. The modulus operator is used to find the remainder after division. Therefore, the number is not a prime number and the function returns false. If the loop finishes without finding any divisor, the program executes returns true. This means the number cannot be divided evenly by any number other than 1 and itself. Therefore, the number is a prime number. In this program, several programming concepts are applied. First, function through the use of the is prime bracket function. Second, selection structure. through the use of the if statement. Third, repetition structure through the use of the for loop. And the last one is boolean values, where the function returns either true or false. So in conclusion, this program allows the user to enter a number, checks whether the number is prime using the isPrime function, and display the appropriate result based on the function return value. So that's all from me. Thank you.